Internationally educated nurses no longer have to be registered outside the Yukon first to come and work in the territory. The Yukon government has updated its registered nurses profession legislation, hoping to make nursing licensing simpler and faster to obtain. Under the updated legislation, nurses and nurse practitioners can apply directly in the Yukon for licenses. That includes internationally trained nurses and new graduates.
I know there's a campaign, for instance, for us to move away from using travel nurses or temporary nursing staff. We are 100% in favor of that. We want every nursing position that we have here in the territory be filled by a full-time person who lives and works here in the territory, and we continue to focus on that so that they can become the integral part of our communities that they are.
Yukon's Minister of Health and Social Services says the change was needed to address the shortage of healthcare workers.
What we're doing with the nurses now is clearing away those barriers to make it easier to recruit the people we're going to need for a growing population to carry it forward. And this is a national issue, but here in the territory, we're seeing people wanting to come here, and that's a great thing. And we want to make it as easy to have people come to this tremendous place as we possibly can. And that's what at its heart, I think that's the message today, is that we're working together to make it easier to get the professionals into the territory, to service the territory and the people living here better.
The Yukon government says it worked with more than 30 nurses to update the legislation.